Hello, I am Mylene, 43 years old, married, and a proud mother of a 14-year-old son from the Philippines. I have been a dedicated and compassionate domestic helper in Hong Kong for 3 years, where I developed a wide range of skills in household tasks, childcare, and more. I have the talent for cooking Western and Chinese cuisines, and I love preparing delicious meals for families. My experience also includes taking care of children and elderly, making sure they feel safe and loved. Additionally, I am skilled also in driving and handling various household chores with ease. As a helper, I am known for my hardworking, reliable, and trustworthy nature. Creating a warm and organized home environment is my top priority. And I take pride in delivering a top-notch service. While I enjoy working independently, I am also happy to collaborate with coworkers when needed. I am adaptable and always strive to align with the lifestyle and preferences of my employer. I am truly excited about the opportunity to bring my skills, dedication, and a positive attitude to your household. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to the possibility of contributing to your family's well being and happiness. Bye.